Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how ice cream is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Milk inlets holding at 38 degrees.
Got it. Lot number matches manifest.
Flow rate steady. Closing at 1,021 liters.
Log. Next pallet sugar, lot 852. Barcode.
Temperature holding at 38 even.
Flows drifting up, tapping correction.
Copy. Dialing back 0.05.
Stability reads green. Harmonics?
Balance locking ratio.
Perfect. We're in the sweet spot.
Sensors read core temperature, robotic arms sweep with ultraviolet light, and bacteria disappear in seconds. Safety isn't guessed, it's verified. Every plate leaves this kitchen clean, protected, and...
Droplet in, read out.
Aromatic balance peaking, 3.2.
Beautiful.
Introducing honeytone now, and blend.
Color shifts perfect.
Taste.
Smooth heat.
And that's how ice cream is made, from start to finish. Thanks for spending the day on the line with us. We'll keep these cones rolling, and you enjoy the scoop.